Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's blessings and peace and mercy be on you forever and ever and ever. Someone said, is this mercy only for Muslims? The answer is very simple, it's not. It's not only for Muslims, it's for all the people in the world, the animals, the living beings, the creatures. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam as the mercy to the whole universe. Not to a specific group of people. Mercy, mercy, and mercy. There is no other word that can go above that, because from the world created, from the day it came into existence, and be aware that even before that, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's nur was made by nur of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he made the nur, the light of mercy to the people. To the people. Mercy to the people. He said clearly, and it is said clearly, and it is written clearly, Rahmatul lil Alameen. He said, I am the mercy for the whole universe. For the whole universe.